this is Tanya. Welcome back to Gupta & Sen's Fabulous Home for Sale channel. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing sea-facing 3 BHK apartment. This apartment has stunning sea views and is ready to move in. Let's go and check it out. Wow! I did not expect this, honestly. It is so spacious. It is sparkling clean. The carpet area of this apartment is more than 1500 of square feet. And it is so clean, warm, bright. The natural light is falling so nicely. I was feeling really hot downstairs, but right now it is so windy. You know why? Because of the stunning view. Check this out. The sea-facing view from the living room. Isn't it beautiful? Wow, it's so nice and breezy, windy here. This is the kind of wind I needed right now. It's so hot. There's another set of window I want to show you. So there are another sets of French windows just next to the windows I just showed you. These are much bigger, but the view from here is even more stunning. Check the sea view from here. I can see the mud island. Even though there's traffic, but these windows are soundproof, so you don't need to worry about the noise and all. It's very windy. Wow, I can see the boats. It's damn beautiful. Imagine in the evening, it's gonna be more peaceful, right? By the way, on my other side, there's not sea facing, but there's a lot of greenery view which I want to show you. Come here, come with me. So just opposite to these windows where you see the sea facing view from the living space, right opposite is another stunning view. There are a set of windows here, French windows. You can have a lush green view from these windows. So sea view from that side, lush green view from this side. What else do you want? And there's also a cane swing chair where you can enjoy your cup of tea, coffee, whatever. Isn't it beautiful? Alright, now I'm going to explore the other side of the house. I'm going to take you to the kitchen, which is right adjacent to the living space. Come. There are two walls which are dividing the kitchen from the living space, and I'm going to show you what inside we have got. So this is a modular kitchen basically, and right now it is actually getting renovated, so it's not completely done yet, but I think in 24 hours it should be done and it should be ready for you. There are a lot of cabinets, like storage spaces here, which you can see. As I said, it's not ready right now, but it will be. Here also you can see it's a modular kitchen and again storage space. And on this side is a beautiful garden area, which is a building garden where you can go for walk, jog, whatever you want. So the view from the kitchen is this. There's a lot of parking space. You can see there are a lot of cars parked right from here. So the advantage about this apartment is that there is a unlimited parking space, which means you can park as many cars as you want. For now, we're gonna explore the bedroom area and I'm excited. Let's go. So now I'm entering another room which is right adjacent to the master bedroom. This one looks like a cute, compact yet cozy bedroom with a view. So this bedroom has a lot of greenery, I see, and this greenery is always going to be there because this belongs to a trust. And oh, you can also have a sea view on your left hand side. Can you see? So a lot of greenery, a lot of wind, a lot of fresh breeze in the room. And on my right hand side, there is inch by inch gym. I don't know why I'm doing so much promotion of inch by inch gym, but yes, there is. So if you're a gym freak, you can always go there and might bump into a celebrity. You never know. So there's a gym here, so you can go to the gym, enjoy the breeze. It's a small cozy room. I like it. Now I'm gonna go and explore the other room, which is the master bedroom right adjacent to this room. Let's go. just entered the master bedroom and it is quite spacious as compared to the room which we saw earlier. These windows remind me of the windows, the French windows which I saw in the living area, which again has the similar view. I can see the mud island, the stunning view, the breeze. Oh my god, I love it. On this side is again lush greenery, so you can have both the views in one room. On this side also again the greenery and the gym, of course. So there is also an ensuite bathroom along with the master bedroom. It's a small, decent sized bathroom. There's a sink area, a lot of marble work done here I can see, and a storage space. So yeah, all basic. So there's also another bathroom right next to this one which I want to show you. This bathroom belongs to the other bedroom which I showed you earlier. This one is quite spacious as compared to the one which I showed you just now. Again, a lot of marble work. The sink is quite different and unique as compared to the other bathroom, which I really like. There is storage space also to keep your basics here, and yeah, there's mirror here. You can just do your basic brushing, whatever you want, you know. Now we're gonna head to the other bedroom. As I told you, it's a 3 BHK, so I'm gonna show you the other bedroom. Come. Wow, this one is similar to the first bedroom which we saw, but again more space. I can like really walk here. There's a sitting space here. Oh wow, you can actually sit here and have a cup of chai coffee with this stunning view. Check this out, so much of greenery. I really like the greenery and the sea view in this house. That's what it is for, I think. And let's see what is on this side. So this was the room, and yeah. Okay. Wow. Again, the sink is very unique here. There's a lot of storage space in the bathroom. There's also a washing machine, and yeah, this one is more spacious as compared to both the bathrooms. I really like this one as compared to the other two bathrooms. And the shower area, there's ventilation in the bathroom. Yeah, that's pretty much. Hope you enjoyed the tour of the small but sweet apartment which is for sale. As I told you before, the owner has recently renovated the apartment. All you have to do is sign the check, move with your furniture, and start living the good life you deserve. If you want to see the property, all you have to do is call us on the number given below and we will be pleased to show you the property. Meanwhile, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our social media channels, our Instagram, our Facebook. Meanwhile, I'll be back soon with even luxury properties only for you which are for sale in Mumbai. Yeah, that's pretty much for today. See you soon, and don't forget to comment because we love your comments. Ciao, bye.